Designing a course in LearnWorlds is a straightforward process, but with so many options, it can feel a bit overwhelming at first. In this quick LearnWorlds tutorial, I'll walk you through the essential steps to create a high-quality course, so you can start teaching online like a pro, whether you're new to the platform or need a refresher. Stick around to the end, because I'll share some alternatives to LearnWorlds that may better serve your needs. Let's start with the first thing, creating your course structure. You'll begin by logging into your LearnWorlds account, where you'll be taken to the dashboard. From there, click Create a New Course to get started. You'll have to choose between a blank course or a pre-made template. The blank course gives you total freedom, but if you're short on time, templates can be a lifesaver. Just pick one that suits your style, and you're on your way. Next, let's dive into course content. This is where LearnWorlds stands out. You can easily add text, images, videos, quizzes, and assignments. The editor is intuitive, and the drag-and-drop functionality makes adding and arranging content a breeze. You also have the option to upload multimedia files and use the rich media player. For those who want to engage their students with interactive features, LearnWorlds has some neat options like interactive video. Just remember, while it's packed with features, the learning curve for new users can be a bit steep, especially when you get into more advanced options. The third thing to focus on is course branding. LearnWorlds lets you customize your course's look and feel, which is critical if you want to present a professional image. You can adjust colors, fonts, and even upload your logo. This customization makes it easier to match your branding and keep your courses visually cohesive. But while the customization is solid, it's not as flexible as other platforms, especially when you compare it to tools like Teachable or Kajabi, which allow for more design freedom. Next, you'll need to set up your course pricing and payment options. LearnWorlds provides you with a range of pricing models, from one-time payments to subscriptions or installment plans. The payment system is straightforward, but one downside here is that LearnWorlds doesn't have as many integrated payment gateways as some competitors, which could be a deal breaker depending on your target audience. The fifth thing is making your course accessible to students. Once you've built your course, you can publish it immediately or schedule it for a later date. LearnWorlds also lets you create a course sales page, complete with marketing tools like coupons, affiliate programs, and email marketing. This is great if you're looking to build an audience quickly, but again, compared to other platforms, it's a bit more complicated to set up and manage your sales funnel. Finally, let's talk about analytics. LearnWorlds provides solid course analytics, helping you track student progress and engagement. This is incredibly valuable for improving your content and measuring the success of your course. However, the platform could do a better job at visualizing your data. It's not as user-friendly as some of its competitors, which offer more interactive reports right out of the box. Now, if you're still not convinced that LearnWorlds is the best platform for your course, don't worry, I've got some alternatives that might suit your needs better. Platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, and Podia offer similar functionality, but are often easier to navigate, especially for beginners. These options also come with more flexible pricing plans and a stronger focus on user-friendly design. Before I go, I want to let you know that if you're still interested in LearnWorlds, we've partnered with them to offer an exclusive and extended free trial just for you. But don't forget, the alternatives I mentioned also have great free trials, and some might be a better fit for your goals. So, be sure to check them out too. Click the link in the description below to get your best free trial and exclusive benefits. Thanks for watching, and good luck creating your course.